Welcome. This is Ryan Klein, co-founder of Market My Market, and I'm actually thrilled to start this series. As you can see here, I have a custom thumbnail that is going to be on the forefront of all these videos on YouTube, and it is the Marketing Mastermind video series. And we are going to be spending plenty of time talking about a DIY digital marketing series on how you can basically build your own website, build all your content, SEO, A to Z. I'm not going to leave any gaps. I'm going to cover every single thing. Frankly, the way I'm looking at it is I'm going to cover every single thing as if I was a lawyer. I was starting off maybe right out of law school, maybe branching out after working at a law firm for a while. I'm going out on my own, or I'm venturing into a different practice area, something niche, something specific that I really want a dedicated website for, and I don't necessarily want to hire an agency to do it. I want to see how far I can get doing everything that I have at my disposal and all the resources I have to give it a go myself. And really, I'm going to be covering all sorts of things during this series. I'm going to be covering, I actually have a whole sheet dedicated to it. About 100 videos, that was the goal. I said 100, and there's plenty to cover. It's going to be incremental, releasing this a day at a time. So if people have a chance to really absorb it, apply what they learn, kind of build this all together. I'm going to be building it. You're going to see the results. I'm going to be using a hypothetical domain name that is not going to be a former domain or a name of a law firm. And my goal, and you'll see it in real time, is to generate actual leads. I'm not going to profess that I'm a lawyer or that I'm going to establish an attorney-client relationship. I'm going to say that I can match them up with a legal provider of services. And that's my goal. So you're going to see it as if I'm the CMO. I'm in the place where I'm going to build a website from the ground up. And I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a fun project. Everyone is going to learn a lot and answer all the questions you have in between. Feel free to watch the video, leave comments, like, share, subscribe to your colleagues if you think that some of these topics or all the topics can help them. But I'm excited to get started, and that's kind of the preface. So let's hit it.